Hi everyone, I'm Sherry and today I am excited to show you one of my favorite dish, chicken green curry. Let's get started. Most green curry in Thailand we use the chicken thigh. I choose to use chicken breast in this video. So we will cook the chicken breast first in the coconut milk so it will remain soft when we put back into the curry. Heat up the pan and add half a cup of coconut milk. Stir chicken in the pan with medium heat until it's cooked. Remove the chicken out of the pan and leave them aside. Using the same pan, add the curry paste. Stir fry it for 10 seconds until it's fragrant. Add a cup of coconut milk. Cook until it splits. You will see the fat separate. With medium heat, keep stirring. It may take up to 15 minutes for coconut milk to split. Some coconut milk is processed and doesn't split. If yours doesn't split, don't worry, just carry on. When the curry has thickened, add some salt. Then add palm sugar and fish sauce. Mix them together, move them around, and let the palm sugar dissolve. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, stirring and let it simmer. When you see the bubbles, add back the chicken. Mix the chicken with the curry. Now add half a cup of water and bring it up to the boil. Add Thai pea aubergines. Then add a cup of coconut milk. Mix them well together. When you start seeing the bubbles, add Kaffir Lime leaves. Mix them and bring it up to the boil. Now add bell peppers and bamboo shoots. Now you can add Thai basil or basil. Chicken green curry is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the notification bell to never miss a video.